Renick Performance, we're going to be unboxing the HP45 high pressure pump. This will be offered shortly on our website. This pump allows you to run above 2600 psi fuel pressure. You can run E85 and other blends. It'll come with a E85 sensor. See the box, everything comes in a nice potted foam case. All the wiring, hoses, hard lines, seals, and the good stuff, the pump itself. We will also be supplying a Continental E85 sensor, just like which comes in the Silverado and the Escalade. It will come with the proper plugs, wiring, and all the hoses to make it snap right into your car without any modification. Stay tuned for more, and this pump's going to get you guys all the way up to the 600, 650 range, pump by itself, no cam, nothing else needed. So talk to you guys soon.